Hello there, everybody. It's a beautiful day today, and thought maybe I'd cut open some of these nodules here on my tile saw. Just give a quick look to see what they look like before. Looks like mostly, some Botswana agate nodules. Looks like we have maybe a Brazilian agate nodule. I'm not sure if we're gonna get these ones today yet or not. And there's a little geode maybe I might cut open, but got a Moroccan greenskin agate, Berber agate there, and I'm not sure if this is a Koyomito agate nodule. I think so. So I'm really excited to see what's inside that one. All right, let's get to it. Alrighty, just got done finishing cutting open the last rock here. I think it was a little thunder egg or something. Pretty sure I got this from Charlie and Liz at the Adventure Closet. So Charlie and Liz, you guys are gonna have to remind me if this is where this actually came from. But all right, let's get them all cleaned up and checked out. See how they look. Alrighty, let's check them out here. That's really cool. That's pretty awesome. To make sure I try the UV light on all these and make sure that I include that in the end of the video. If there's any cool UV reaction, so I can even fluoresce here. This one here, I cut open in half, and I decided to cut it in half again because I really like the color in it, but didn't have a whole lot going on, but still real pretty. I think this is a Brazilian agate nodule, pretty sure. See, and then I decided to cut that in half again. Got a really nice color to it. It's got a little bit of red and a little bit of a creamy yellow color to it. Really pretty stuff. Let's see, next let's check out this Berber agate here. This one's pretty rad. That is awesome. That's incredible. I just love that. Wow, that is amazing. If any of my regular subscribers are watching, and if they'd like me to go to the rock shop and pick some of this up for them and send them their way, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to do that next time I'm at the rock shop. This is a pretty beautiful material. I don't know how easy it is to get, but my local rock shop has quite a bit of it. It's really pretty stuff. This one's definitely Botswana. You can see the parallax shadow banding there. That's what makes these Botswanas so awesome. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. My hands are a little shaky from holding the rocks as I'm cutting them. This one was pretty cool too. It's got this like little floater agate, looks like, inside this quartz pocket there or something. That's pretty cool. I've not seen anything like that before. I cut open. It's even got like a little bit of water line or something. I'm not sure about this one. Not sure the origin. I would guess this is probably a Botswana or a Mozambique agate. Swazi agate, but I'm not sure. Let's check this one out next. It's got some really cool water lines in that one. It's got a really nice, pretty pink section right there. It's real pretty. I love waterline agates. That's a nice one. Alrighty, got another one over here. This one, the first one that I cut open. I just love the red in that. Really neat looking pattern on that. Really cool. Alrighty. Let's see, let's check this one out here. Got another nice little waterline agate. That's all this one's really got going on, is just some neat water lines. It's actually really clear. I wasn't sure where to cut it. Usually when I'm looking at them like this, I try to cut them long ways here. Seem to get the best results. So, same with this one here. I decided to cut it long ways versus cutting it half this way. This one's got some super pretty colors too. It's like this red and black and gray and white. That's pretty sweet. Trying to get it in the lighting just right here. The sun's playing hide and seek in the clouds right now. Oh well. Alrighty, let's check this one out here. Wasn't what I was expecting it to be, but that's definitely the most interesting one that I cut open today. It's got this neat orange in there. Here's the other half. I was hoping it was going to have a lot more purple in there, but that's still pretty cool. Alright, get one last look at them here. I'm going to take them inside, try the UV flashlight on them, and see how they react. If I get any cool reactions, this video is going to be a little bit longer. If not, this is going to be the end. Alright, I have them all laid out here. I'm going to turn out the lights. Use my Lone Fire UV flashlight here and see if we get any reactions. Alright, looks like we have a little bit of a reaction on this Berber agate here. Just a little faint line around the edge here. Well, you can really see the patterns come out on the Koyomito there. That's really cool. That's really neat. So we got some good reaction on that one. Yeah, not really anything on the Brazilian agate. It looks like Looks like maybe a little bit on the outside of this one here too. Just real faint. With that subtle light on the outside of that. Looks like we got some good reaction there. Not really anything on that side, but looks like I caught it right in the corner there. That's pretty neat. These thunder eggs have a really nice white glow to them. That's pretty cool. So yeah, looks like the most reactive one is probably this one here. So let's check that one out in the light and see what's going on there. Alright. So yeah, this is the part that was reacting there. That's interesting. And here's the thunder eggs there. They were sure were glowing white. Those Koyomitos really seem to have some. This really seemed to be highlighted around the edges here. And just a real faint line around the Berber egg. It just seemed to get a little reaction there. So, alrighty. Well, thanks everyone for watching. Until next time, take care and rock on.